says solve for x. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. X not equal to minus 4 comma 7. So here I am given 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. So now doing LCM on both sides, I will have x plus 4 into x minus 7. So x minus 7 minus x plus 4 equal to 11 upon 30. So this will be x minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. So x gone. So minus 7 and minus 4 will be minus 11 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. See, both sides 11 is also common. So can I cut this 11? So now cross multiplication, minus 30 will be equal to x plus 4 into x minus 7. So it will give me x square plus 4x minus 7x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So now splitting the middle term, I will have x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So from first two terms x common, so x minus 2. From second two terms minus 1 common, so x minus 2 equal to 0. Now I will have x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 2 or x equal to. Now next question says, if one root of the quadratic equation 3x square plus px plus 4 equal to 0 is 2 by 3, then find the value of p and also find the other root of the equation. So here quadratic equation given is 3x square plus px plus 4 equal to 0. One root given is 2 by 3. So therefore it should satisfy the equation. So therefore I can say 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus p into 2 by 3 plus 4 equal to 0. So 3 into 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3p plus 4 equal to 0. So cutting I will have 4 upon 3 plus 4 plus 2 by 3p equal to 0. So I can say 2 by 3p will be equal to minus 16 by 3. So cutting both sides 3. So p will be equal to minus 16 by 2. So therefore p will be equal to minus 8. Now I got the value of p. Therefore quadratic equation is 3x square minus 8x plus 4 equal to 0. Now to find the zeros, 3 4s are 12. So 12 such factor whose sum is coming as minus 8. So I will have 3x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So from the first two I am taking 3x common, so x minus 2. From next to minus 2, so x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore I can say x minus 2 into 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore x will be 2 or x will be equal to 2 by 3. Now next question says the roots alpha and beta of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 3 into k minus 1 equal to 0 are such that alpha minus beta equal to 1. Find the value of k. So here the equation given to me is x square minus 5x plus 3 into k minus 1 equal to 0, and it is given that alpha minus beta equal to 1. Now sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, will be equal to minus b by a. So here if I see carefully, it is minus 5 upon 1. So that will be 5. So therefore I can say k alpha plus beta equal to 5. Let me give this as 2 number, and alpha minus beta I was having, so I will give 1 number solving. So alpha minus beta equal to 1 and alpha plus beta equal to 5. Using elimination method, 2 alpha equal to 6. Therefore alpha will be equal to 3. Putting alpha equal to 3 in 1, 3 minus beta equal to 1. So therefore beta equal to 2. Now I got both alpha and beta. Then product of roots is c by a. So c is 3 into k minus 1 upon 1. So here the roots are 3 and 2. So 6 it should be into 3 into k minus 1. So 3 cancel. So I can say k equal to 3. Now next question says the sum of the areas of two squares is 157 meter square. If the sum of their perimeters is 68 meter, find the sides of the two square. So let me suppose let x and y be the lengths of the sides of two squares. Therefore area equal to side square, and the sum of the areas will be x square plus y square equal to 157. So this I will get the first equation. See, square of first square's area will be x square and second square's area is y square, and the question says sum of the two squares area. So x square plus y square equal to 157. Same way, perimeter formula is perimeter equal to 4 into side. So the first square side will be 4x and second square side will be 4y, and that is given to me as 68. So if I cut it out 4 all, so I will have x plus y equal to 17. So therefore y equal to 17 minus x. Now this second equation I am putting in first. So therefore putting 2 in 1. So therefore I will have x square plus 17 minus x whole square equal to 157. So when I open the bracket, I will have x square plus 17 square will be 289 minus 2 into 17 into x plus x square equal to 157. So I will get x square plus 289 minus 34x plus x square equal to 157. So solving the whole equation, I will get x square minus 17x plus 66 equal to 0. So doing the splitting the middle term, I will get x square minus 11x minus 6x plus 66 equal to 0. So taking x common from the first two, so x minus 11 minus 6 common from next two, so x minus 11 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 11 or x minus 6 will be 0. Therefore x equal to 11 or x equal to 6. So therefore I can say sides of squares will be 6 and 11 respectively. Now next question says a line segment AB of length 2 meter is divided at a point C into two parts such that AC square equal to AB into CB. Find the length of CB. So let the length of AC be x. Then BC equal to 2 minus x meter. Now therefore AC square equal to AB into CB. This is given to me. So that will be x square will be equal to 2 into 2 minus x. So x square equal to 4 minus 2x. So x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 4. C equal to minus 4. So therefore roots will be x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that will be minus b. So minus 2 plus or minus b square. So minus 2 plus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 upon 2 into 1. So this will be minus 2 plus or minus, if I solve this root I will have 20 upon 2. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 upon 2. So if I cut from both the roots, I will have minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 1. So therefore roots are minus 1 plus or minus root 5. Therefore roots I can say are minus 1 plus root 5 or minus 1 minus root 5. So when x equal to minus 1 plus root 5, BC will be 2 minus minus 1 plus root 5. So that will be 3 minus root 5. So that will be 3 minus 2.24. That is 0.76 meter. And when x equal to minus 1 minus root 5. So therefore BC will be equal to 2 minus 1 minus root 5. So that will be 3 plus root 5. So which will be equal to 3 plus 2.24. So that will be 5.24. Hence the length of BC is 3 minus root 5, that is 0.76. As says, find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation px square minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0 is 6 times the other. So, equation given to me is px square minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. So here a equal to p, b equal to minus 14 and c equal to 8. Therefore I can say alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus 14 upon p. So 14, let beta equal to 6 alpha. So therefore alpha plus 6 alpha equal to 14 by p. So therefore 7 alpha equal to 14 by p. So therefore alpha equal to 2 by p and beta will be 6 alpha. So that will be 6 into 2 by p, 12 upon p. Now alpha beta equal to 8 upon p. So therefore 2 upon p into 12 by p equal to 8 by p. So 24 upon p square equal to 8 by p. So if I cut 1 p, I will have p equal to 24 by 8. So p equal to 3.